Hi, my name is Caitlin, and I'm making this video in black and white, I think. Yeah, it is in black and white. Don't listen to those people who just try to make fun of me, because they know. Chad, get out of here, you little thanky boy.
God.
He just threw something at me. I don't know what it is.
It was a candy cane.
And see, he threw a kitty. No, please, please. Ow, little dinky shoes. Get him out of here. So, they like to throw stuff at me. And I don't think it's fair. He's probably gonna throw a bone at my face. Because it's not the first time. Oh, I thought it was a bone. You little dinky banana boy. Go climb a tree. That's what I'm saying, you little dinky girl. I wouldn't give a fuck. So, his mom's gonna come out. And I just got another banana thrown at me. No, please. Oh, shit. No! Please. They're throwing these bananas at me. They're just wasting good old freaking bananas. And they're gonna get grounded. And he's not gonna be able to have his birthday. Oh,
Kevin.
I'm scared of the kid.
I'm
scared. And sometimes they just never know when to stop this little stinky legging little party little dinky little boy. And sometimes they have issues. Oh, I got some banana. Why are they laughing at me? I don't get it.
I'm like 2 penises.
They're so immature. So I'm gonna go, but first I want you to see the immature people in the house. Him, and her. Oh shoot, and her. Yeah. Oh shoot. He's about to throw a little nader at me. Oh shoot. No. Please don't. Oh, see? Okay, I'm done. I'm sick of these people just treating me like bananas. And they give me, look at all those little stinky things. He has no friends at all. Because he treats people like he treats me. I'm just a little dinky girl, little dinky world, that's all.
God damn it.
They just don't. I'm going to go put on my new shoes because they just don't know how to treat people right, you know?